What? You say he forgot?
I think he probably did if the chicken is here.
Mm-hmm.
The chicken only comes here if it's hungry enough.
Look like it's now get full already, right? So it's slow eating right now, very slow. All right, chick, are you full yet? You need water? You should have water, chick.
I never see it drink.
Maybe you provide a little bit water.
Okay, fine, I'll go get some.
So they just stop in laying any more eggs. I don't know what the cycle. To the next cycle, how the chick lay an egg.
Should I just use a bowl for water?
Well, what?
A bowl?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's full. They wanna leave right now.
Okay, here's some water. He doesn't like it.
All right, Beatrice.
Should I just put rice
Drink
in
water.
there?
Drink
Okay,
water.
I'll just put some rice in
That's
there.
okay. No, don't do that.
It's
Just like that.
It's trying to figure out what it is.
Yeah.
Should I put rice in there?
No, don't do that.
Oh, then how does Beatrice get? It's water.
She knows. She knows it's water.
And she doesn't want to pick it.
All right, I'll check back later, Beatrice. Ooh, drinking water. Ooh, drinking water. Look at that. Oh my
She's
God.
drinking water. And
Yeah.
the first time in forever. I've never
See,
seen her drink water.
she hungry and she thirsty. That's why. All right. Have a good day, Beatrice. Check back later.